Are you tired of listening to the same old music and craving something new, exciting, and soul-stirring? Look no further than the world of jazz guitar. With its rich history and captivating melodies, jazz guitar has the power to transport you to another realm. In this article, we will explore 5 trailblazing guitarists who have revolutionized the genre and left an indelible mark on its landscape. So buckle up for a musical journey like no other. Django Reinhardt, the Gypsy Virtuoso. Let's start our expedition with Django Reinhardt, a true pioneer of jazz guitar. Born into a family of Romani musicians in Belgium in 1910, Reinhardt overcame adversity after losing mobility in 2 fingers due to a fire accident. Despite this setback, he developed his unique style by adapting unconventional fingerings that allowed him to play lightning-fast runs effortlessly. Reinhardt's virtuosic playing combined elements of swing and gypsy music, creating an electrifying fusion that captivated audiences worldwide. His groundbreaking recordings with his quintet du Hot Club de France showcased his extraordinary improvisational skills and cemented his place as one of the most influential jazz guitarists in history. Wes Montgomery, the innovator. Next on our list is Wes Montgomery, whose smooth yet fiery playing style revolutionized jazz guitar in the 1960s. Hailing from Indianapolis, Montgomery developed an innovative technique known as thumb picking, where he used only his thumb instead of a pick or multiple fingers. This distinctive approach gave Montgomery unparalleled control over dynamics and tone while allowing him to create lush chordal melodies effortlessly. His album, The Incredible Jazz Guitar, remains one of the finest examples of his genius. It showcases both delicate ballads and blistering bebop lines, leaving listeners in awe of his versatility. Pat Metheny, the Sonic Explorer. Prepare to embark on a sonic adventure with Pat Metheny, a true pioneer of jazz fusion and contemporary jazz guitar. With his distinctive soundscapes and boundless creativity, Metheny has pushed the boundaries of what is possible on the instrument. Metheny's use of innovative guitar synthesizers and extensive effects pedals has allowed him to create otherworldly textures and atmospheres that transport listeners to uncharted musical territories. His album, Bright Size Life, exemplifies his ability to seamlessly blend genres, combining elements of jazz, rock, and folk into a cohesive sonic tapestry that defies categorization. John Scofield, the Groove Master. If you're craving infectious grooves and irresistible rhythms, then John Scofield is your go-to guitarist. Known for his soulful playing and deep understanding of blues and funk music, Scofield has become one of the most sought-after guitarists in the world. Scofield's ability to seamlessly blend traditional jazz vocabulary with funky rhythms creates an intoxicating brew that keeps audiences moving their feet. His collaborations with legendary musicians like Miles Davis and Medeski Martin and Wood have further solidified his reputation as a groove master extraordinaire. Dive into his album, A Go-Go, for an unforgettable experience filled with infectious energy. Kurt Rosenwinkel, the modern innovator. Our final stop on this musical journey takes us into the realm of modern jazz guitar with Kurt Rosenwinkel, a true innovator who effortlessly bridges the gap between tradition and innovation. With his rich harmonic language, lyrical melodies, and unique approach to improvisation, Rosenwinkel has carved out a distinct voice in today's jazz scene. Rosenwinkel's compositions are intricate yet accessible. They combine complex harmonies with memorable melodies that linger long after the music ends. His album, The Next Step, showcases his exceptional musicianship and serves as a testament to his ability to push the boundaries of jazz guitar while staying true to its roots. In conclusion, these 5 trailblazing guitarists have left an indelible mark on the world of jazz. From Django Reinhardt's virtuosic gypsy swing to Kurt Rosenwinkel's modern innovations, each guitarist brings something unique and captivating to the table. By immersing yourself in their music, you will not only unleash your inner jazz aficionado but also embark on a transformative musical journey that will leave you forever changed. So go ahead, explore their discographies, and let their enchanting melodies transport you into a world like no other.